Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the solar backpack with 14W solar panel, a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts and tech-savvy travelers. This backpack isn't just about carrying your gear, it's about staying powered up on the go. Whether you're hiking, climbing, or commuting, this bag promises to keep your devices charged with its built-in solar panel. Let's unpack what makes this product special and how it holds up in real-world use. First, let's talk features. This backpack boasts a 14W solar panel, which is powerful enough to charge smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices through its dual USB ports. The panel is waterproof, so a sudden rainstorm won't leave you powerless. Made from durable nylon, the bag is designed to withstand rough outdoor conditions while offering a spacious 30L capacity, perfect for packing all your essentials. What really sets it apart is the thoughtful design: padded shoulder straps for comfort, multiple compartments for organization, and even a built-in cable management system to keep things tidy. It's clear this backpack was built with both functionality and convenience in mind. In real-life scenarios, the solar backpack performs impressively. On a full-day hike, the solar panel efficiently charges devices, though it works best in direct sunlight. Users report that it can fully charge a smartphone in about 4 to 5 hours under ideal conditions. The large capacity means you can pack everything you need without sacrificing comfort, and the waterproof material keeps your belongings dry. However, there are a few drawbacks. The solar panel adds some weight, making the bag slightly heavier than standard backpacks. Also, charging speeds can vary depending on weather conditions. Cloudy days will slow things down. But for most users, the trade-off is worth it for the convenience of on-the-go power. Compared to similar products, this solar backpack stands out for its balance of power, durability, and affordability. Many competing models either skimp on solar efficiency or are prohibitively expensive. While some higher-end backpacks offer faster charging or larger panels, they often come with a hefty price tag. This backpack strikes a sweet spot, delivering reliable performance without breaking the bank. To get the most out of this product, position the solar panel facing direct sunlight whenever possible. Pack your devices in the designated compartments to avoid tangling cables, and use a power bank as a buffer to store solar energy for later use. Regular maintenance, like wiping the panel clean, will ensure optimal performance over time. Overall, the solar backpack with 14W solar panel is a fantastic choice for adventurers, students, or anyone who needs reliable power while on the move. It's durable, practical, and eco-friendly. If you're someone who spends time outdoors or simply wants to reduce reliance on wall outlets, this backpack is a smart investment. Thanks for tuning in, and happy exploring. Stay charged and stay adventurous, everyone.